Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at our viewer request. This is a cardboard cutter, so let's test it out and see how it works. Stay tuned. All right, so today we're taking a look at a Canary knife, and it's designed to cut cardboard, and I can literally read nothing other than the word canary on there, so you can kind of guess where that is manufactured. But anyways, there you go. The unreadable, unless you're fluent in Japanese, and actually says made in Japan there. So but anyways, there you go. I guess we do have the instructions on here visually, so it does show sawing back and forth to get through the cardboard. It does show it cutting through the plastic ties on boxes, and then yeah, you can cut all kinds of holes. And if you look at, there are some videos out there on this making nice little intricate designs. So if you have kids that want to make a cardboard dollhouse or something, you can help them with that by using this apparently. So I don't know, I've never heard of this before. This again was a viewer request, and I'll put that right up there. And I apologize if my camera fogs up. It is ridiculously humid out here. It rained all last night and this morning, and everything's steamy. So anyways, that's just the way it goes. I'm sweating. Yeah, so let's go ahead and dig into this. I think it just literally comes apart right here. I don't even need a knife to access the knife, which is kind of nice sometimes. But yeah, I'll just pull that off, and there you go. There is the knife, Canary, made in Japan. It does have a plastic, well, I guess it goes on there. So it does have plastic sheath, and you got the orange and yellow there, so you can easily tell which side is which. Got a little hole here if you need to hang it up, and yeah, that comes off really easy, and it's not going anywhere. It snaps in there nice and tight, and it's just got this serrated blade all the way around. No point or anything, so it's going to be hard to stab that through cardboard. But anyways, just a simple plastic sheath. Let's see, that just says Canary, made in Japan. So there's that. So nothing too special there on the knife, but I did bring out some cardboard, and we can test that on the cardboard. So I brought this pizza box out here, and if you're ever in Dayton, Marion's is a good place to hit up some pizza. At least I like it. So we're just gonna open this up, pull out this piece of cardboard here, and I can test it on there. So here we go. Now it just says to saw through it, so oh yeah, man, that goes right through. Nice. That was super easy. Let's see if it just kind of pushes through. Oh yeah, man, that you can saw it just a little bit, but I mean it's cutting just by pushing it mostly. I'm pulling back just a little bit to saw, but man, you can see how easy that is. I mean, and it's making super clean cuts. Yeah, man, that works out nice, really nice. So if you got a lot of cardboard to cut and you don't want to get your regular everyday carry blade all gummed up, this actually is a really nice alternative. I like it. I mean, it's making short work of this. I mean, man, that's super easy. Super easy. Actually a pretty comfortable handle too, even though there's not much to it. I mean, it is slick, but man, yeah. Let's see how it turns. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. let's get a bigger piece here. Now, if we wanted to cut a little hole in the middle, like make a jack-o'-lantern out of this thing, I guess it will allow us to do that. Now you got to be better than me at this, but I guess you can kind of stab it through there, even though. Okay, so let's just kind of cut another eye in here. Make sure your finger's out of the way. It did get me. I had to put a Band-Aid on there. That is sharp. Yeah. I don't advise, you know, because you stick it through there. If your finger's in the wrong spot like it was with mine, it just saws right through there. So, anyways, it is sharp. I mean, as you can see. And let's see if we can make some more rounded angles here. Oh yeah, nice. Nice. So, you know, it will make those nice curved edges there. It's got to be a little more artistic than me, but yeah, that works. Now I did bring out this really heavy cardboard again. This is like the double-walled stuff, and I just wanted to see if this thing would cut this really tough stuff here. And look at that, like butter. Oh man, that is sharp. That man, that works really well. Look at that. No problems whatsoever. It's cutting it. It's cutting it. Look at that. And you can do real thin stuff. Real thin slivers here. Nice. Nice. Okay. Well, I'm thoroughly impressed with this little cardboard knife. It's definitely what I'm going to use to cut cardboard from now on. Jeez. I mean, that goes through there like nothing. I wish it had a pointy tip on there so you could stab through if you wanted to. But, you know, to just kind of saw through cardboard and cut it open, it's hard to beat. Yeah, it's hard to beat that. That's really nice. So, there you guys go. That is the Canary Cardboard Cutting Dream Machine here. And also cuts fingers, so yeah, don't do that like I did. So just be careful and stay tuned. I will have more videos coming out soon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.